can sit there. Open your door. Ay. Bye-bye na, mami mo. Bye-bye na. Dito na naman kami sa SM. Yeah, she's a girl. You're a boy. She's the first honor. She's the first one to enter SM. Dito na kami sa SM, guys. Actually, mga ilang minutes pa yung hinintay namin doon sa labas. 11 pala nag-open dito sa SM. Medyo late na pala. Early birds.
When I was in bank and I was working and in morning people are standing in queue, I was always thinking, what these people, they don't have anything else to do. That in morning only they are just coming and standing in front of the bank.
And
They can take time and they can come. But today I have realized maybe these small people would also be thinking same thing, that we don't have anything else in our life to do. So every morning these people, they are just simply dressing up and they are just coming in mall, doing nothing, standing in front of the gate, even though the mall is not open.
But it's not really early. It's 11. So
Still.
now everyone is coming inside. So how many people? Look,
Yeah.
everyone was just waiting for the gate to open.
Yeah.
And now it's almost full.
Yeah.
And look at this.
So many people. Look at this main gate. Look, show this. Oh my God! It feels like that the jail barracks has opened.
Where's Mami Ki? First customer ba? Johnny's Pizza. Pizza. Let's eat. Burger ah. Which one you wanna try? What is this out? You know what is this? You check other stuffed toy. Whom do you know? Rabbit. This one is so cute also. Mimi, ah? This is so cute also. Okay. One, two. Now hold. Oh no! Start. Press. Go. Go. Put the ball inside. Put the ball. Fast, fast. Fast, fast, fast. Fast. Fast.
Surprise.
You'll get token. Good job. Here, come on na, come on na. Get your token here. Get your token. Get your token. Good job. Huh? Two of you, you share. Let Berber drive also, Mish. Mish? Let Berber drive. You drive, Berber. Tuma ng Mish ka. Dito kami ngayon sa Sheila May
SSMB
Pico.
Jewelry Trading. So, basta kay 10 daw.
Yes.
Madam, kadto lang ako di madam, ha? Mga suki, ag mga followers ni madam, kag ni sir.
Ayan.
Na 7 to 50 lang to di for 18K, 5654, 14K. Pwede kita kaswap. Sa aton mga hindi ka na gusto ng mga alas, madam. Or
Yes.
mga scrap, utod, bugto, pwede mo
Outfit.
islang kali. May brand new man kita dito sa pihak ng ma-display. Kakadto ka muna.
Oo, kakadto kami ito una.
Tapos, gabakal man kami di rush lang. High appraisal kita daw.
Okay. So they have a lot of option
Yes.
ng mga gold.
More customers.
Yes, more customers. So, ay guys, Sheila May Bico Jewelry Trading. Dire sa Plaza Mar. Plaza Mar. Yes, Bacolod. So, ito yung kanilang shop dito. Yes. We are here at Landers. Mag-window shopping kami dito. Unicorn. And swimming pool. What is it? How? Dog house. Oh, there's a slide. You're not supposed to enter. It's not allowed. Okay. So, meron sila ditong misidap, guys. Ito yung paborito namin na pancit canton. Ito yung una kong pinadala kay Abhi from Dubai. Kaya nagustuhan niya ito. Meron ding mi goreng. Okay din sa amin yung mi goreng, but we like the taste of misidap better. Ha? So, we're bringing this. Instead of pancit canton, I will bring misidap kasi hindi ka to makakahanap sa India.
The
And they,
problem is luggage.
they like it. They also have Korean spicy. Manang Mishka no running. Manang Mishka no running. I am getting seaweed sheet for Mishka. Asa sila? Kasi mahilig siya sa sushi. So finally, we're done here at Landers. What did you buy?
For grocery.
Mag-window shopping lang sana kami sa Landers, pero meron sila tong mga, like yung sushi ni Mishka, may discount sila, naka-sale. So, bumili na lang ako kasi sa India, parang nasa 200 plus yung isang packet ng sushi wrap. So, dito, nasa 129 lang. Okay na, pang baon-baon ni Mishka. Hindi ko naman siya mauubos agad-agad yung isang packet kasi sa isang baunan niya, parang isa, dalawa lang yung magagamit ko, ganyan. So, actually, first time namin pumunta dito sa Landers. So, at least na-experience namin pumunta dito. Membership shopping. Yes. What's that? Uy, sa ano ni? Sa ato ni nga, fan. Nakatali yung buhok ko simula kanina, so medyo curly-curly yung aking hair.
Yung powder.
Nice. Okay, power bank. Dito kami sa mascara chicken inasal. Love chicken oil. Ano yung chicken oil lang? Love chicken oil.
Mas namin, yun o. May isa kami kara. Isa lang, dua. Dua karay.
Mga binili namin doon sa Unitop kanina. Meron akong brush para sa ating manicure pedicure. Bumili din ako. Pangalawang bote ko na to. Meron na akong nabili last time. Tapos ito may paggagamitan ako. Alcohol kasi bumili sa akin ng parang sanitizer or alcohol na para sa kanyang bag. Para mas madali sa akin kapag nagbabiyahe kami na meron kami alcohol, hand sanitizer, ganyan. And ito, parang ano na to guys, yung mga dadalhin na namin pabalik ng India. So instead na pancit canton yung dadalhin ko, ito yung misidap na pancit canton. Fried noodles ata ito. If meron kayong makitang brand na ganito, I suggest na i-try nyo kasi masarap siya. Dalawa, and then ito. Korean spicy chicken. Itatry namin ito if magustuhan din ni Abby. So, ito yung ano namin, paborito naming pancit canton. Fried noodles pala. Tapos ito naman, seaweed para kay Mishka. Tapos mga chocolate-chocolate. Hindi masyadong uso ito sa India. So, bumili kami pangpasalubong sa pamilya. And then, ano ito? Pergale or pergale na chocolate. Not sure if ano yung pronunciation nito. Pero nagme-melt siya. Ayan. Ito yung mga nabili namin doon kanina. Full day din kami nasa labas, guys. Medyo nakakapagod din. Ano na kami nakarating? 8:45 na ng gabi.